Okay, so today's question comes from Ayman Azuka on YouTube, and they're asking me, where do I share my affiliate marketing links? Okay, so thanks for tuning in to Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. Videos every Monday and Thursday, and then you've got the shorter daily question and answer videos just like this every day. So make sure to ask your questions in the comment section below, and I'll answer those questions as soon as I can. But my affiliate marketing, where do I put my affiliate marketing links? So a quick introduction to affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend another company's products, and if the person you recommend it to goes ahead and buys that product from the company gives you a commission, like a reward for encouraging that sale. And affiliate marketing works through websites and online where the company gives you a unique web address, like a unique URL for you to use. And if your audience, your following uses that URL to go and buy the product, the company knows that you encourage that sale because they can track it back to your URL. That's basically how it works. And I make around $1,500, $2,000 every month from affiliate marketing that I talk about in my monthly income reports that you can get on my channel every month. But where do I put my affiliate marketing links? How do I make that much money? So personally, up until this point, my affiliate marketing revenue, I've been placing my links mainly on my descriptions to my YouTube videos. And I've just started moving on to building a blog at startingup.com as well, where I'm putting my affiliate marketing links. So my personal experience up until this point has been all YouTube, and it's slowly venturing out into blogs. So really, it's been a completely free strategy up until this point. I've not paid any money to get my links out there or paid anyone to promote my links for me. It's all come for free through social media, through YouTube, and through my blog. So yeah, those are the two approaches that have worked really well for me, YouTube and blogs. But I want to run you through some other places that you could put your links that also could do really well as well. And these are going to be things that I'm going to be exploring moving forwards. I really want to ramp up my affiliate marketing next year, and I'm going to be exploring a lot of these locations or these tactics I'm going to explain now. I'm going to be exploring them a lot in the next year. So where else could you put links for your affiliate products? Well, you could pay a promoter, so pay a famous Instagram person to talk about a product for you. So say that you found a really good looking skateboard on Amazon that, you know, pays commission if you can make a sale. You can ask a skateboarder on Amazon, sorry, a skateboarder on Instagram that has a big following to talk about that skateboard in one of their pictures and say how nice it is, and then to put your affiliate link in their Instagram bio and to tell their audience to click on the link in their bio if they want to buy the skateboard themselves. So you pay the influencer $50, but you could make $100, $200, $500 from affiliate commission from the sale that comes from that link. So that's one way you can do it, is by paying influencers to do it through their social media, whether they're on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, any social media platform, even YouTube videos where someone's got an audience based around a specific product type. You can find that person and pay them to put their links in their content, which is going to earn you money. Next up, what we had, so we've had YouTube, we've had contacting influencers, we've had blogs. Next, you could pay for ads. So you could put an ad on YouTube, you could put an ad on Facebook, Google, Instagram stories, sending people to your affiliate link. Well, not sending them straight to your affiliate link, but sending them to a web page you've made that talks about the product, says how amazing, how good it is, and then you have the link in that web page to send your audience members through to the products. So you're paying money, up front for the ads, but hopefully the amount of people that come through to your website go ahead and buy the products. The amount of commission you're making from them doing that, hopefully that commission is greater than the amount of money you spent on adverts in the first place. So I really have championed, free traffic, so free places to put your affiliate links, so YouTube and blogs up until this point, and I'm going to start doing it more on Instagram, and maybe even on my Facebook. But there are paid places you can do it as well. So like I've said, you can pay influencers or you can pay for ads that send people through to a website that has your affiliate link on. So those are just 4 or 5 places where you can put affiliate links that I know off the top of my head and that I've reeled off in this video. If you know any more affiliate link tricks and tips where you can put your links, let me and everyone else watching this video know in the comment section below. But I hope that's enough to get you started on the path to success with affiliate marketing. And to be honest, the more you explore it, the more you get to know affiliate marketing, you're going to learn even more tricks and tips from the people you follow, from my videos, and just from your own initiative as you get more of an expert in affiliate marketing. So good luck. Let me know if you need any more questions answered in the comment box below. I hope you all the best, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you want answering, feel free to message me in the comments box below on startstartingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.